Imagine being underestimated just because you're the closest to the sun. Imagine hiding secrets so deep, even the most advanced science struggles to uncover them. But what if the answers to life's greatest mysteries are tucked away in the most unexpected places? And what if these answers could reshape how we understand our own planet, and even ourselves? Today we explore the story of Messenger, and how it revealed Mercury, a planet of extremes, as a key to unlocking the secrets of the solar system. Alright, so here's the deal with Mercury. It's like that quiet kid in class who everyone forgets about until they drop some mind-blowing fact and leave everyone speechless. For decades, Mercury was kind of ignored in favor of flashier planets like Mars or Saturn. You know, the ones with all the cool rings, storms, or alien conspiracy theories. But NASA decided to give Mercury the spotlight it deserved back in 2004 with the launch of Messenger, which, let's be honest, has one of the most aggressively nerdy acronyms ever: Mercury surface, space environment, geochemistry, and ranging. Basically, this spacecraft was like the Swiss Army knife of interplanetary missions, loaded with gadgets to dig into Mercury's most intriguing secrets. And boy, did it deliver. So why Mercury? Well, even though it's literally right there, sunbathing its little rocky surface off, the only other time we'd gotten up close and personal with it was in the 70s when Mariner 10 zipped by for 3 quick flybys. And while Mariner did its best, it left us with more questions than answers, like, why is Mercury so dense? Why does this tiny planet have a magnetic field? And what's up with all those weird wrinkles on its surface? Enter Messenger, the overachieving younger sibling who wasn't just there for a quick hello. It was ready to move in and spill all of Mercury's secrets over coffee. But getting to Mercury? Yeah, that's a headache. It's like trying to run on a treadmill while the sun is blasting its heat lamp straight at your face. Messenger had to take the scenic route, slingshotting around Earth, Venus, twice, and Mercury 3 times, before finally locking into orbit in 2011. Think of it as the ultimate cosmic road trip, with gravity assist flybys as pit stops. And let's not forget, this spacecraft had to survive Mercury's literal hellfire conditions, temperatures hot enough to turn your Aunt Karen's casserole into a burnt offering. NASA's engineers pulled off some wild tricks, like designing a sunshade so tough it could handle heat that would make Satan sweat. And when Messenger got there, it was like opening Pandora's box of planetary secrets. First up, water ice. Yep, water ice on the planet closest to the sun. Turns out, Mercury's poles have these shadowy craters that are so cold they could store ice for billions of years. Talk about keeping your cool. Then, there was Mercury's volcanic past, tectonic drama, and the epic story of how its iron-rich core decided to throw a magnetic field party while everyone else assumed it was dead inside. Oh, and did I mention, Messenger discovered Mercury's surface is covered in something called hollows? They're these weird, shiny depressions that make you wonder if the planet's slowly being eaten alive by space acid. Spoiler, kind of, yeah. Beyond the juicy gossip about Mercury itself, Messenger gave us some major clues about how the inner solar system was formed. Mercury's dense, metal-heavy makeup suggests it probably lost a chunk of its outer layers early on, maybe from a giant collision, or maybe it just went on a cosmic diet. Either way, studying Mercury helps us understand why all the inner planets, including Earth, turned out so wildly different, despite being born from the same cosmic stew. After 4 years of orbiting and over 4,000 laps around Mercury, Messenger was running on fumes. So, in 2015, NASA decided to give it a fiery farewell by crashing it right into the planet's surface. But even in its final moments, Messenger delivered, collecting data about the crash site like a true workaholic. Its legacy lives on, not just in the piles of data it sent back, but also in the new generation of missions it inspired, like the European-Japanese Bepi Colombo, which is already on its way to pick up where Messenger left off. I'll leave you to discuss in the comments about if water ice can exist on Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. What other surprising discoveries might be waiting for us in the solar system's most extreme environments? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.